welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new release video. This video is going up on Thursday, and that is because I'm putting the new releases up early because today is Valentine's Day and we're doing a Valentine's Day sale. So I'm going to show you guys the new releases and then I'm going to give you all the sale info. So if you want to know more about that, just keep watching. So first, let's talk about our May monthly kits. Yes, May monthly is coming to the shop. So this is the first option, and this is the lemon or lemonade theme. I think I have it listed as lemon, but it's the same photos used for our lemonade kit in this kit. So that's what it looks like. And I like that these boxes like match up, if you guys can tell. I think that's really neat that I did that this time. And then, you know, you have your normal 3-page kit. Then we have the May monthly in the bloom theme, and I really love this clip art. I just think it's really fun and bright and just screams like summer and spring. And May is technically spring, but I feel like most of the people, like, it's towards the end it's like summer, you know. So I really like this clip art for May. I thought this was really pretty. This is probably the one that I'm gonna use. May is actually my birthday month and I'm gonna be turning 30. So I definitely think I want to like use this to like spice up my planner. So those are the May monthly for Erin Condren. We have the same thing, but for the classic Happy Planner, I'm considering adding an option for the mini Happy Planner. So let me know if you guys have the mini Happy Planner, if you would be interested in that. I have a mini Happy Planner and I have like measured stuff out, and I've actually created a kit, and I had some trouble with my machines, and so I took the kit down a long time ago and I just never brought it back. So let me know if you guys want to see the monthly kits for the mini Happy Planner as well. That was a long rant about that. Not rant, but a long little thing about that. But just let me know in the comments below if you want to see mini Happy Planner. I know other people have been requesting other planners, and if I can get to them, I can. The hard part is, like, if I don't have the planner, I don't know the measurements, so I'm gonna have to order the planner, and it may be something that I just can't get to right now. So I'm gonna try my best to get stickers for multiple planners. Right now we just currently have Erin Condren stuff and Happy Planner, but I am hoping to expand that this year. So first up, May monthly for the Happy Planner in the lemon theme. Again, it's just your, you know, 3-page kit. And then you have the bloom theme. So those are the monthly kits for the Happy Planner. All right, we only have one new collection this time around, just because I kind of ran out of time and I'm trying to focus on like freebies and different things for the sale. So I kind of slacked on designing new stuff, but I am excited about the collection that we do have. It is the Nautical theme. This was released last year in the old format, and I decided to bring it back for the new format. I'm just really pumped for spring and summer, if you guys couldn't tell. I think everybody at this point, we're just all over winter, so I was like, why not just start bringing out the spring and summer kits? So we're going hardcore with the spring and summer kits, apparently, because that's all I'm feeling lately. But I really love this kit. I combined digital paper and clip art from 2 different shops to make this kit happen, and I really, really love it. This says, let the light guide you. So you have your full boxes, your ombre heart checklist, your little things and washi strips, headers, sidebar stuff, extra full box if you guys wanted it. The weekend banners, the functional stuff, I don't even know what to call this, like icons and script icons and such. Then you have your checklist, work stickers, you know, all that stuff, the bow washi, and then this was the washi from the old kit, but I had to like size it down. So I thought that would be cool. You can like pair both of them, or you could, like, if you had other washi you could pair it with. I know some people don't like the split washi. Some people wanted the bigger washi, and I don't know, I might go back to that. But for right now, I'm still doing the split washi. Let me know in the comments below like what you guys think about that. I kind of like it because I like the layered look, but I know that's not for everyone. So maybe I could just do a separate sheet that was like extra washi if you wanted it and make this like the big washi and just have extra, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Then you have half boxes, bill dues, habit trackers, and your date covers, dots, hydrate stickers, these little half checklists, and then your half boxes and a flight info sticker. So that is the full kit. And I like to say this in every new release video, but you can purchase these sheets a la carte on the website only. So if you guys don't want the full kit, but you want like to kind of mix and match these sheets, definitely go to the website. That's the only place that you can do that. On Etsy, you have to purchase it as the bundle. So, all right, then we have the mini kit. So same thing, you have your washi, some headers and little things, date covers, same full boxes, your functional page that just has one weekend banner, but that's really the only difference. And then you have half boxes, quarter boxes, checklists, sidebar stuff, bill due, currently reading, a movie night sticker, and your half boxes. So that is just the 4-page kit. Again, you could get this. You can't get these sheets a la carte, but you could get the mini, and then if you wanted like extra of something else, you could purchase the a la carte. So that's on the website only as well. And then we also have the glitter headers to match. So these are a separate listing on the website. On Etsy, it's within the same listing. On Etsy, it's listed as collections, and it's just different options. So you can choose full kit, mini kit, glitter. So, but that's where you can find it on Etsy. Last up, we have one functional sheet. I meant to get more out, but I just kind of ran out of time. But I'm so pumped about this one, you guys. Weekend banners. Not just weekend banners, but like cutesy little like scripty with the hearts. I'm loving it. I think I'm gonna start adding this weekend banner as one of the options in the full kits. But I had already designed the Nautical kit before I did this. So, but yes, so this is our one and only functional page, but more script stickers like this are coming. I have actually started designing some, so they will be up, but this one is the only one that I was able to get done in time for this week's new releases. Okay, so sale info. The code is LOVE30. It can be used on Etsy and Shopify. The first 20 orders placed are going to get, let me see if I can find it, hang on. Okay, so the first 20 orders, $20 or more, are going to get a name sticker. Like obviously it'll be your name with foil. I think to make this easy, I'm just gonna do a gold foil. This one is in pink, but I'm gonna do gold for the freebie. So that's the first 20 orders, $20 or more after coupon. Then every order is going to get a little sticker that says love, and it's foiled. And then every order is going to get like your standard little freebie. Orders $50 or more are going to get a like full sheet like this of like freebie stuff. And then actually no, $50 or more, you're going to get like half of this like as a freebie. So it's a bigger freebie. And then orders $100 or more are going to get like a full-sized freebie. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't have the freebies here to show you guys. It's gonna start at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So the time that this video is up, as you're watching this now, the code and the sale and everything is live. So you can pick all of these up plus anything else in the shop that you want for 30% off. Just make sure that you use the code so you can get that 30% off. And then it is going to run from 9 a.m. Thursday to 11:30 because Shopify, they only do increments of 30, but to like 11:30 Sunday night. So make sure that you stock up because this is a pretty big sale, and I'm probably not going to be doing another big sale for a while. So now is the time to grab stuff for 30% off, especially if you want any of these new items. So yes, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe for more planner related content, behind the scenes of a sticker shop, cleaning videos, lifestyle videos. That's basically what I do on my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so that way you're notified whenever I upload. And also, if if you're purchasing stickers and you found me through YouTube, or you like saw this video and you're purchasing because of this video, please leave it in the notes of your order. I'd like to send you guys something extra special just for subscribing to me, so you might get a little extra freebie in there. But definitely put in the notes that you came from YouTube, so that way I will know. All right guys, but that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight